Super excited about this one. We're at the Corvette Museum for the Corvette Bash. As you see behind me, a lot of cars are here. Let's get into this video. Afterwards, we're headed to the Bowtie Nationals. So if you haven't yet, subscribe, turn the bell notification on. You'll get notified when we post that event. Also, please hit the like and comment what you think of this Corvette Bash. Into the show.
We had a Jeep, so now I got the kids, grandkids, I have a bag, and I said, okay, here you go. That's what I think I found on Amazon. They're like 157 or something like that. Here, let me show you something. Yeah, I do.
Oh, nice. That is cool.
Thank you. Two of them are twins. They'll be turning 22 in May. You have her? No.
There is a ton of Corvettes here.
Oh yeah, right. Yeah. She's adulting.
This color is beautiful. What do you guys think? people are from all over. There's a Missouri one.
Leave it in check. Maybe they won't notice it's filthy. Want the water?
Because, you know, you can't buy anything that's 270.
I know.
Everything is cheap.
They have a 2016 or so.
Yeah, so it's like, you can't find anything here now.
That's about as easy. That was easier than this thing. I'm done here. Watch the race. I'm gonna Todd. Yeah. Yeah, no, precious. What's your problem? Other ways. The idea is to get it flush, not as much the fun. Good morning, buddy. How are you?
Wow, there's a lot of awesome Corvettes here. This is a great show. And if you haven't yet, check out the Corvette Museum. Check out that video. We'll post it after this. But they have a lot of events and stuff happening around Bowling Green area, so you can come for the Corvette Museum, go watch a race across the street. Let's get back into this. If you haven't yet, please hit the like, subscribe, all that good stuff. It helps us out, helps us go to these events. This is probably my favorite color combination. What do you guys think? What's your favorite color? I know Corvette just released 2 new colors, a green and a silver. That right there with the black wheels.
Yeah, Paul, I think these cars we all saw leaving was not going to they limit those tours to about 20 or 25 cars, so you keep up with everybody. You get over 20 or 25 cars, and there's that guy in that green ramp car there. Oh yeah? Oh hell.
Wheels and tires on.
Oh hell.
Callaway. Woo! What an amazing turnout. Unfortunately, we got to run. Can't hang out too long because we got headed to Beach Bend for the Bowtie Nationals, watch some racing and stuff like that. So please consider subscribing, turn the bell notification on. You'll get notified when we post that video. And stay tuned for car show content. We come back every week with at least one video, sometimes multiple. Today's going to be a multiple day. Check out video on the left and the right, and we'll see you guys at the next show.